Ganahan ba ka og investment na dili mo fluctuate o grabe sama sa stocks? Trust me, if you're a stock investor, then you know this. Ako'y mas stable option para ninyo. Stocks o crypto investment, mo fluctuate yun na, grabe yung kayo. Pwede ka maka-income ako, pwede po mawala na yung pinakalit way forever. Pero real estate is a tangible asset na you can see, you can manage, and it doesn't vanish overnight. Even during economic downturns, kaya properties in key areas like Metro Manila, Cebu, or Bohol holds their value. Here are the 3 reasons why real estate is a secure investment. Number 1, tangible na siyang asset. Unlike stocks, real estate is something physical that you can own, you can manage. Second, less volatile. Property prices don't fluctuate as wildly as stocks or crypto, making it a more stable investment. And third, long-term value ani. Real estate holds and grows its value over time, especially in prime locations. Kung ganahan ka makatulong real estate investing, check the link in my bio or follow me for more.